Today I'm gonna cook PALITAO. So I have the glutinous rice here, rice flour, and I put half of here in the bowl. And I have a sugar. I have the sesame seeds, and I have this boiling water, and I fry the sesame seed. We will wait until it turns a little bit brown. The coconut. We have the coconut here. I buy this in Safeways. But this glutinous rice, you can't buy this in Safeways. You need to buy this at the Filipino store here in the US. We have the water. I need to put the water and mix it. Okay, it's already mixed. Time to make a circle. Grab this and then we'll put it like this. And then grab another one and make another circle, and then you make it like kind of like a rectangle.
Masi. Pareho na sa masi. Kaya palitaw.
PALITAO. That means in English, it float. If it's already float, then that's the time that you can tell it's already cooked. When you put in the boiling water.
He was suspended from the army for 1 year.
I checked the
Okay, I will put
oil
the
one last time.
sesame seed.
Everything's right where it should be.
Okay, the water is boiling, so we have this one like a rectangle or oblong. So you need to dump it in the first. See the glutinous rice is at the bottom, so you can tell if it's ready if the glutinous rice is floating on top, going on top.
My daddy says he is a brilliant fighter and the army should cherish him.
Your daddy is a wise man.
Charity is helping.
Charity is helping cooking a PALITAO.
So the palitaw is yummy.
It's a Filipino dessert in the Philippines. This is the glutinous rice. The glutinous rice, it's rice
Rising up.
is rising up. So that means it's cooked. Now this one, the one on the ipaduultang, the one here, this is ready. So you just take it. And what you're gonna do is put this in the coconut. And I need to grab my knife. finished product.
He's been suspended for duty.
See, it looks pretty.
It's pretty.
So I need to grab another one. This is bigger PALITAO. Yeah, you make it really big. You can make a circle, you can make an oblong, whatever you like. It's so sticky. This is a sticky rice. If you have sticky rice, you can ground it and become like a
Glutinous rice.
glutinous rice bar.
Yeah, ito ikuha. Hindi na nabuhay yung
But my coconut, we don't have a fresh coconut here in the US. So we just buy in Safeways. They have like they dried the coconut. But it still works okay. Still works good. I think it will lower down the heat. This is too big, see? See, this one is too, I make a little bit too big. But anyway.
I've been recommended, and now I turn home.
You can make a circle, you can make an oblong. Sometimes people make circles. Okay, you need to mix together the brown sugar and sesame seed. This is the sugar and sesame seed, so I can pour a little bit, just a little bit there. Sesame seed. Depends upon you. If you're diabetic, you don't need to have a sugar or just a little bit sugar. That's the finished product. It's time to eat.